popular hose nozzle in the history of QVC. Yeah, the famous Ultimate Innovations Fireman's hose nozzle just got better. So the most popular just got better, and we didn't bring it in at $35, which is what you pay if you went to a garden center, if you went to a Philadelphia flower show. So now this most popular hose nozzle has a built-in shutoff valve to make it even more precise, even easier to use. And we have it on 5 easy payments of $5. And I gotta tell you, this is brand new. It's only been on one time earlier this week, Larry Nixdorf. And it rocked, like 5,000 ordered. So what's new about this?
What's new? Well, first of all, I'm glad to be here with you because you presented the nozzle 14 years ago.
Oh, is that right?
1.3 million nozzles later, we have made this better because it's the same nozzle on the inside. You can still get all those great spray patterns. You can still turn it off from the left or the right. But Rick, what we did to make it better, we added this little shutoff valve.
Okay, that's great.
So now you can maintain one spray pattern.
Without any drippage whatsoever.
No dripping.
Here we go. We're gonna start, after we get through colors, start spraying. So we've got them in black, in teal, in red, dark green, royal blue. We have it in the gray. We have it in the orange, and we have it in the pink. Kathy was talking earlier, I like the pink, it's great.
Well, you know, Kathy Levin says it's all about the pretty, and that's what Roxanne De Palma tried to do with these colors. But you know what? This isn't really a nozzle. This is a watering tool because it's made with stainless steel on the inside,
put it to work.
so it will not rest.
We've only got 5 minutes. 5 different spray options. We have our nifty little tool here to help show us.
But again,
Put this to work.
Santoprene rubber. So Rick, this is going to be comfortable in your hand when you use it. All you have to do is just turn it and it will go on, and you're going to get that nice, soft soaker spray. So when you get those beautiful Roberta's plants, the Ultimate Innovations plants, you can start them with this nice spray.
Okay, keep going. 10,000 ordered since we made it. And 3 colors are getting limited. It's been on a couple of days.
Right.
Gray, orange, and pink. Keep going.
This is when your plants get a little bigger and you want to give them more water. But then look at this, Rick. This nozzle actually has 5 US patents. And look at the precision. That's one thing about this nozzle. Because the water is going straight through it and not doing the 90-degree turn, you are getting great accuracy. And then when you pull it out,
here's the shot.
Here's the shot. Look at the power. This almost turns into like a mini pressure washer.
Keep doing that. Keep doing that, because here's what's not doing. This mini pressure washer, by the way, no dripping whatsoever down below.
And again,
so that kind of power, and it's brand new. Now, this also comes with that shutoff valve.
Right. So, boom. Kathy Levin comes over and says, "Hey, I want to talk."
Do that again. We missed that shot. You pulled it out of the shot. Here we go. 3,
all you do,
2,
1, bam,
go. Bam.
You
Right
turn
there.
it off.
That's
Maybe
great.
your neighbor's coming over, your kids are calling on your phone. You can keep the same pattern.
The brand new nozzle is here. And by the way, when it first debuted, in the original version, which I still have, by the way, how many years? 15 years ago?
14.
14.
14
I still
years.
have it. These things don't break down.
No,
they're not
absolutely
plastic. They don't break down. There's patents on it. This is going to be the last hose nozzle you ever buy. And now comes gardening season. We were talking about this in January. But if Cottage Farms and our Roberta shows are any indication, and the Ultimate Innovation shows, everybody's ready for spring and ready for gardening. That's how high that thing can shoot.
Look how high. I mean, the precision is crazy on this. And Rick, you know, even if you have one of the nozzles from the past, you are now getting it with that shutoff valve. So you don't have to scroll through all the patterns to get to the pattern you want. You can simply turn it off and it'll go right to the same pattern. And Rick, think about, you know, it's winter now. Soon we'll be getting our garden tools out. They're going to be skanky. They're going to be nasty. If you have one of these old nozzles, you know, get rid of it. I mean, these are so like...
Never heard the term skanky garden tool, but I think you just...
garden tools. You don't want skanky.
Patented that.
And something like this. I mean, Rick, think how much money you spend over the years buying nozzles like this.
Here comes an update. 3 days, 11,000 ordered. Another 1,000, black. You can pick it up right now. 2,000 remaining. Hey, it's garden season, brand new, with the shutoff valve, everybody. The brand new shutoff valve didn't up the price, actually lowered the price to bring it to you brand new. Here comes that teal, black teal, 1,500, and that's it. Over half our quantity spoken for. Here comes a bright red, 1,200. Here comes a dark green, 1,000 to go around. We're busy already. Wow, people watching. Dark royal blue, 900. Here's our fun gray. 800, here's our orange. 500, and the pink, the pretty pink, last call, last call, last call. Now, when I get it, by the way, the lifetime warranty on this, I put it on, just back to basics, the same way I would put on any hose nozzle.
Yep, and we recommend a 5/8 inch hose. You don't want one of those little 1/2 inch hoses that don't give
traditional hose.
A traditional hose.
Right.
And you know, Rick, like I said, this nozzle will last, and we believe in it so much, we're going to give you a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. You get this card, has all of our information for it to not leak or break.
Okay, I want to do the shut-off thing. Let's do it 2 more times, because this is the brand new Wow. Hey, come on in if you want to pick it up. It's only $25, only on QVC, and we put it on 5 easy payments. Thank you, President's Day sale.
Right?
So I want you to show it in the,
okay.
like the pressure washer mode.
Okay, so you just scroll through the patterns, and again, you can shut it off either to the left or the right, but if you want to maintain that one setting, you simply turn off it with the switch. But you just scroll through the patterns, and here's the pressure washer one that you love.
Okay, wait, we're gonna get that. Here it comes.
You're gone?
Pressure washer. Now here comes that valve. Okay, you ready to turn it off? Turn it off.
Okay,
We got the
let's
shot.
do it.
Boom.
Boom.
That's the shot.
Right on.
That's it, everybody. That's great. Boy, that just completely shut it off from pressure washer to off.
Off.
That's the new Wow?
That's the new Wow.
It also easier to get to the new pattern.
The grip is different too. And Rick, think about all the ways you can use this. Maybe you're doing like up under the eaves of your house, getting cobwebs, your windows. If you want to, I use this one all the time. This pattern is great for doing sidewalks. It's great for doing your driveway, your patio. And again, patios can be skanky after the winter.
I don't want to use that word anymore.
Okay,
It also
let's just say
can be
dirty.
really, really soft power as well.
Right.
So you don't ruin the flowers, right?
Right, look, it's just a gentle mist.
So delicate enough for your Roberta's flowers.
You are getting everything with this. You are going from the soft soakers.
Great.
And you can go down and look at that. Even if you have container gardening and you want to do something with this really nice soft soaker spray, you can. And again, someone comes over to visit, you simply turn it off. When you go back to your watering chore, you go back to the exact same pattern that you were using without scrolling back and forth.
Without scrolling back and forth. Oh, do that again. Then show me that. Show me that without scrolling back and forth.
Yep, you just turn it off with a switch.
So it goes right back to it.
Right back to the same pattern that you were using.
One of the things that our viewers wanted. Well, guess what? Now it's here, and if you want it, it's last call in the pink, orange, gray, royal blue, green, red, teal, and then classic black. Final 7,000 go run. Pink is sold out. Boom. See you later. Bye-bye. It's sold out for the season, right? That's M99918 if you're shopping. By the way, I am going to jump in front of the car to show you that I'm moving and grooving over the next couple of hours with Vion.